Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today we have once again a transparency update for my channel, and I will show you how much I earned since my last similar update video, and how much my channel gained in traction, views, watch time, subscribers, and also AdSense revenue. Okay, so let's get started. This is my channel dashboard, and you will be able to see that in the last month it stayed pretty steady. However, if we go ahead and increase this result, we will see some up climbings of results. But let's go ahead and go here into detail view. But before this, I want to show you this basic table and graph, because it is really easy to understand. The advanced view is a bit more tricky to understand. So here we can see views. I will tell you that I get around 1,100 views per day on this channel for all my videos summed up. Watch time almost 1,000 hours per month, or at least for the 28 days period that this chart is showing, around 33 hours per day. Subscribers is growing pretty steadily, and once again I want to thank you all guys who subscribe to this channel, because I really appreciate that you follow the content I create, and it really means a lot to me. Also, let's go to revenue. So currently I am making around $10 on this channel from ads, and I have around 2,850 subscribers, let's say. So this is the ad revenue for 1 month for around 2,800 subscribers for my channel. Okay, so if we click here on the tabs above, we will have some more info, because we will be able to see impressions, click-through rate, which is, or everything seems to be steady in the last month, and unique viewers also steady. Engagement, we can see that it is pretty much plateauing, which, yeah, I am pretty happy about it, because at least it is not downward. So yeah, I'm okay with it. Now let's go to audience. Everything is plateauing around here. Subscribers, yeah, it's okay. Revenue, and now we can go to revenue, which is the thing that might interest the most of guys who are watching this video, of you guys. So RPM is also pretty steady with some spikes around here, and playback based CPM is, yeah, some spikes, but it's on plateau. Okay, now we can go to some advanced views, and let's check the graph for last year. So let's set this to the last year, and we can see some revenue source. For example, we can see that my estimated ad revenue so far is around $2,000 for this channel, which is pretty good, and it's a really great sum, because yeah, I use this channel to create tutorial videos for my plugins, sorry, and yeah, this is a bit of extra revenue. So I started this channel quite long ago. If I remember, I started it in 2017, but until it gained some traction and it started to grow, lasted around 2 or 3 years, I guess. So it started to grow more massively only in 2020 January or something similar. Until then I had only a couple hundred subscribers. But since last year January, I got to this number of subscribers, 2,800, the current number of subscribers that I have, which is really great, and really thank you guys for subscribing. Okay, so we can see here subscription status, sources, and so on. So yeah, these graphs can be a bit confusing, especially the video one, which has many lines and shows each and every video that I created and how it was performing. We can filter results by leaving only some videos here, but yeah, it's if we leave everything here, we will see that it's a bit not so easy to understand. So I see that the red one here, which is a video about Twitch iframe embeds, with jumping here from 0 to okay, yeah. So these are my stats. This is the transparency update for you guys. I hope you enjoy it, and if we have a lifetime update, so this is the last thing I want to show you, just to understand how my channel grew so far. So the lifetime of my channel started around here in 2017, but the data here is not existing because the videos that perform really well were created only in 2017. So this is the period of my channel which was inactive, and I started creating content here in 2017, and this is how everything started to fire up. And yeah, it's really been an awesome time since then, because I really enjoy creating these YouTube videos that you are watching right now. So yeah, I guess this is all for today. I will create also other similar updates on revenue and things that I do on my channel, and yeah, I hope you will see other larger numbers the next time you will see a similar earnings update video for my channel. Thank you for watching. Let me know, guys, what you think about my stats and numbers. So practically right now I am monetizing my monetization, because yeah, this video is also monetized. Thank you for watching once again. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.